Rising above the Durban skyline, the Durban Christian Centre, fondly known as the Jesus Dome, is more than just an architectural marvel. It's a spiritual cornerstone for thousands of believers. Established as a hub of worship, prayer, and community outreach, this iconic landmark embodies a vision to spread hope, love, and the transformative power of faith across the city and beyond. The original structure, with its distinctive dome, was tragically destroyed by fire in 2016. Yet, from the ashes, it rose again, stronger, brighter, and even more impactful. Its reconstruction is a powerful symbol of resilience, unity, and the unwavering faith of its congregation. Today, the Durban Christian Centre continues its mission to uplift and inspire, hosting life-changing services, dynamic worship, and outreach initiatives that touch the lives of many. Whether you're seeking spiritual renewal or a deeper connection with God, this sanctuary welcomes all, standing as a testament to the enduring power of grace and the light of Christ shining over Durban. As you view this breathtaking aerial perspective, let it remind you that even in the face of adversity, faith can rebuild and restore, creating something even greater than before.